at 6, a drop in vaccine demand as Orange County leaders are taking a new approach to thwart COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy.
Instead of their weekly briefing, they hosted a town hall this evening to try to educate communities and help build trust. The latest numbers show about 35% of Orange County residents have been vaccinated. That is well below the county's goal of nearly 80% for herd immunity. News 6's Lauren Cervantes was at tonight's town hall. So, Lauren, what's the biggest concern?
Well, the biggest concern from audience members seemed to be how to reach those who remain hesitant when it comes to getting the vaccine. Now, the town hall panel included Mayor Jerry Demings, Dr. Raul Pino from the Florida Department of Health, and 2 doctors from Advent Health, fielding questions from a number of audience members focusing on vaccine hesitancy. Now, Advent Health kicked off the town hall by saying we are at a pivotal moment with the virus and calling vaccinations the greatest tool they have in the fight, but also saying there's a mistrust in the process and how these vaccines were developed. Now, as I mentioned, audience members asked questions. For example, one was, how can you know if the vaccine is really safe? One of the Advent Health doctors responding that the way he looks at it is a risk versus benefit ratio, adding that in almost all situations, the risk from COVID-19 is far greater than the potential risk of the vaccine. Another point the doctors made was by saying for those that are younger who may be hesitant to take the vaccine, they do see young people intubated in the hospital.
We see in the hospital a lot of young people that have no risk factors, that have also gotten very sick from COVID, and we don't have any way to predict who is going to get very sick from COVID. And the same applies to children. The risk is low, some can get very sick, and we don't know.
Now, Dr. Raul Pino had mentioned that they're going to be opening up an email and getting that email address out to the community. This is going to be a strategy moving forward where people, churches, community members can reach out and say, we are located here and we have X amount of people that would like to be vaccinated. He says then they've created some type of algorithm that takes into account a social vulnerability index, and they're going to rank those locations and those requests. And that's going to be a way that they're going to look at targeting different areas as we move forward in the fight against COVID. And Mayor Demings, I asked him afterwards when we could see that email opening up. He says hopefully as soon as possible. For now in Orange County, I'm Lauren Cervantes, getting results, News 6.